Will now be recorded.
Am I audible, guys? Rachana and Sriya, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Now it is audible. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here there is a function. I'm writing a function. Def add of x comma y. And in the previous class, we discussed about normal functions and we discussed about functions with parameters. And after that, this is the one more kind of function with return type. Function with return type. So whenever the function is executing, it has to be return some value. Okay, there is the add function. There are two parameters x comma y, and this function is returning some x plus y. This function is returning some x plus y. Okay, so I have to save the value somewhere. Summation is equal to add of 10 comma 20. Now whenever I go with the print summation, I get the 30. Output is 30. Okay, when you attend a birthday function or marriage function, you are giving a gift, na? You are returning a gift, na? In the same way, when the function is executing, 1 second, guys, I will call you. Okay, this function is returning something. Okay, let me write down one more example for this. Okay, get full name. Get full name. Okay, def get full name. I want to access the values here. First name, last name. F name. F name is the parameter. Yesterday I told you how to write parameters. How to write parameters. There are some properties for the parameters. There are some rules and regulations for the parameters. Yesterday I told you, no? First name, then last name. One is the first name, one is the last name. Okay, on the return, what it is going to be returning, what this function is going to be returning. Already came something. Okay, this function need to return something. What this function need to return? Anyone?
fname comma lm
No. Fname
return.
plus lname. Fname
Yeah,
plus
fname
lname.
plus means yeah.
You mean to say that fname plus lname. Fname plus lname. 1 second, guys. So many calls are coming.
No, it can take multiplication also, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, Mansa, Rachna, Rohit, Sriya, Tamal.
Sir, why don't we
Uh,
take the multiplication here, sir?
multi
I understand there is
Sir,
a
this is
character string format.
string, sir.
Yeah, it's a
Don't
string.
take,
Yeah, I
don't,
understand.
don't take,
Not integer.
don't take multiplication. Yeah, L
Yeah.
name. Finally, returning full name. But I want to save something. I want to save somewhere. Where you want to save? You need to create a variable. Okay, full name is equal to call the function. Call the function. Get full name. Call the function get full name. Okay, I need to pass the values now. Parameters are there. Two parameters are there for this function. I need to pass the two parameters. The first parameter is Mohansh. Second parameter is text or technologies. Technologies. Okay. First parameter is Mohansh. Second parameter is technologies. So finally, this is the value I got stored into the full name. Finally, print the full name, sir. Call full name. Call full name. Full name. This one. Full name N capital letter. Hmm. Execute it. Hmm. What is the problem? Some issue. Name full name is
Print
not
off.
get to full name not defined. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. Huh? Yes, I got Mohan's Technologies. I got Mohan's Technologies. This is what actually the another way of writing function with return type. Function with return type. Okay, let me go to the two more concepts. Maps and filters. Maps, filters. In Python, maps and filters. Very important. There is a method called map. There is a method called filter. Okay, how to apply with a map? How to work with a filter? So generally, what is the map? What is the filter? General word. I am talking about general word. What is a map? What is a filter? What is a map? What is a filter? Okay, let me go to
Filter
the.
means out of bunch of collection, we will filter certain numbers.
Yeah. So
Certain
let
things.
me
Yeah, we
let
must
me
filter.
take let me take. Okay. I will take a few numbers here. I will take few numbers here. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Hmm. There is a function. There is a function. There is a function, map function. Okay. There is a function, something like a square. There is a function like square. What square can do? What square can do, sir?
It can multiply x into x, any number square.
This is square.
Square. Yeah.
Am I right? This is square. Okay. What I want to do is, I want to map. I want to map this square. I want to map this square to 1. I want to map this square to 2. I want to map this square to 3. I want to map this square to 4. I want to map, sir, whatever the list, big number, I don't know. But there is a functionality. There is a functionality. I want to map it. There is a functionality. I want to map it on top of the each and every value on the list. That is the map function. Okay. Now my list is going to be mapping with the square. My list is going to be mapping with the square. Am I clear? Then what is output, sir? What is output, sir? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49.
49.
That is the very, very good. That is called mapping, sir. Then what is the filter? What is the filter? Okay, there is another list. There is another list. I have few numbers here. I have few
Not
numbers.
only even numbers or odd numbers.
I have few numbers. Okay, I want to filter. I want to filter even numbers and odd numbers. I want to filter even numbers and odd numbers. I want to filter even numbers, odd numbers from this. From this, I want to filter only events. From this, I want to filter only events. Get it? Get it? Get it? Used by the used by the used by the filter function. Filter, what filter function can do? Check events. Check events. Mm, mm. Am I clear? Am I clear? How map is working? How filter is working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go. Let me go through the Python. Let me go through the Python. First of all, we will write about the map function. Can I write a function? Okay. Def uh, square. What do you want? Square. Def square. Okay. N return n to the power of 2. Whatever the number you pass, whatever the number you pass, whatever the number you pass, that will be square. Okay. Finally, I want to call the square function. What is the function I am writing? Call the function square. Call the function square, and I pass a number like 4. What is output, sir? Square of 4. If I give number like 18, what is 18 square? You have to open the calculator. This is 324. Okay, I have some function ready, sir. I have some function ready. What is my function? Square function. Okay, I want to map this square function with a list of objects. Okay, let me define some list. Please mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Manasa, Rachna, Rohit, Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Understanding or not?
Clear, sir.
Today morning sessions I could not able to take, sir. My health is not well actually. I already told you yesterday.
Yeah, no problem, sir. Yeah.
But
First,
now,
you need to be there. Yeah. Take
now
care of
okay.
your health, sir.
I took some coffee and tea. I can able to handle. Okay, let me go.
Yes, sir.
Mm, mm. Now I want to create a list of objects, list of numbers, list of numbers. Okay, let me define some numbers, sir. Let me define some numbers. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Okay. Now what my requirement is? What my requirement is? I want to map square on top of the list of numbers. I want to map square function on top of the list of numbers. Now, okay, map, take map. What this map is doing? List of numbers, comma, square. Am I clear, guys? Okay, I want to print a list of these values. I want to print a list of these values. Okay, no. Just check it out. First of all, map it. First of all, map it. Map issue. It is asking list. Okay, fine. This is giving the output or not? Mapped. What mapped? Square mapped with square and list of numbers. Mapped or not? What is output now, guys? What is output now? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Next, go for the filter. Go for the filter. Filter. First of all, I need to write a function for even numbers. Okay, how to get the even numbers? Def check even. Def check even. Even. I want to find out the even numbers. How to find out the even numbers, sir? How to find out the even numbers? Return. Return n percentile 2 n percentile 2 double equal to 0. Am I clear? Then call the function. Call the function check even. Call the function check even. 6. True. Even number or not? I passed 6, sir. Even number or not? If I pass 19, what could be the output? What could be the output? False. Okay. This function is checking. This function is checking properly even or not. Okay. Now I want to filter. I want to filter. Same. Copy, sir. Same copy, sir. Just give it. Okay. This time, instead of map, filter. Okay. Method change. Can I execute this? Filter is not defined. Filter, not filter. This is right. Yeah. Can you see? I got even numbers. Sir. Tell me, Rohit,
Yes, sir.
Priya,
Yes, yes.
Ansa, Rachna. I got even numbers or not? I filtered or not? I mapped or not? I can able to map here. I can able to filter here. So these two are very important functions. Filters.
After filtering, applying the square, sir.
After filtering, you keep in the list. If you did not keep the list, it will show the object. Okay. If I am not keeping the list, for example, if I am not keeping the list, for this it is okay. One more remove. Just show filter, only filter. If I do only filter, this show like a function. Show like a function. Okay, you are filtering, but you are not printing. You are filtering. You are filtering, but you are not printing. When you want to print, you can keep a list of values. You can keep a list of values. Am I clear, sir? Am I clear, sir? Whenever you want to filter, you can go with the list. So one is the map function, one is the filter function. Very important functions.